All right, so we're looking at week 37. This is the week of your finals. So let's kind of go over what you're going to do. So again, it's going to open on May 25th. This closes on May 31st at midnight. So make sure you get it done this week because you don't want any late penalties on this, and you're kind of running out of time with school ending the week after this. So your course final, it's worth 100 points, and it's graded just like the AP exam would be graded. So 30% or 30 points is going to come from your performance task and written response. So this performance task, that's what you did a couple weeks ago. So those 30 points are coming from basically three different areas. 5 points is going to come from your program code. This was the PDF that you submitted on the College Board a couple weeks ago. So I will look that over as long as you have all the required components. So there's an input, an output, an algorithm, function, definition, parameters, arguments, all of that. You get the 5 points. There is no partial credit on the AP exam, and there's no partial credit on this course final. So if everything is there, you get the 5 points. If any part is missing, you do not get the 5 points. The second 5 points comes from your video. Same thing, no partial credit. So if your video was submitted and it's correct, then you get the 5 points. If any part of it is not correct, then you don't get the 5 points. The remaining 20 points will come from written responses that you will write and turn in this week. So we'll go over this assignment in a minute, but this is your FRQ final exam. That's where these 20 points come from. Beyond that, the remaining 70 points come from MCQ questions that you're going to ask. So this final exam, part 1, 2, and 3, these are sets of multiple choice questions. They're all from old AP exams. So you will answer these questions. It is a little weird because there's 55 questions here and this is worth 70 points. So essentially each question's worth about 1.27 points. So I take your percentage correct out of 55, whatever that percentage is. I, do the math to figure out how many points you would get out of 70. And then the combination of your multiple choice and your performance task and written response points will make up your points for the final. So just really quick, again, there's 3 multiple choice sets that you have to do. Parts 1 and 2 have 20 questions. So you get 2 minutes per question for each one of these. So make sure you start these when you have enough time to finish, because part 1, 20 questions, you'll have 40 minutes. Part 2 is another 20 questions. You will have 40 more minutes to do that. And then part 3 is 15 questions, so you get 30 minutes to complete that one. Once you start it, you have to finish it. If you close it and try to come back, it's going to say that you ran out of time. So make sure that you start these when you have enough time to finish them. That's part of the reason why we've broken them up into 3 different assignments for you, so you can kind of do them in chunks throughout the week. This FRQ final exam, what you are going to do is open up this document. Once you have the document open, you're going to make a copy. There is 4 FRQ questions that are included on the document with a space to type for each one. Again, there's no partial credit. So if your answer correctly answers the question, you get the 5 points. If for any reason you're missing something, then you do not get the 5 points. So make sure you answer these thoroughly. Make sure you've read the comments I gave you on your practice FRQs for all the ones where you received the point and didn't receive the point, so that you can make sure that you get the points on this. But that's really it this week. You just need to make sure that you get these done. There is one last weekly check-in. We will not be doing weekly check-ins the last week of school. Most of the seniors will be gone. So this is your last weekly check-in. Just make sure you come by. If you have any questions, then I can answer them. Otherwise, good luck.